So I don't really know if this is a good angle. I'm hoping it is. You know what I mean? I want to do something, cool with my angles. I don't really know. Anyways, hi you guys. Welcome to the video. My name is Adrian. If you're new, consider subscribing. On this channel, we talk about everything from health to promoting self-development. And today, I'm gonna go ahead and try a 24-hour water fast. Now, I actually already did this fast. I'm doing the intro right after the actual video itself. This 24-hour challenge actually turned into a 36-hour fast. I had eaten at 10 p.m. The day before yesterday. So, since today is 10 a.m., at the filming of this, it's a 36-hour fast that I did. Scientists actually say that this is supposed to be really good, for your health, on account that, it helps you get into ketosis, it helps boost your metabolism, and also Plato even said himself that I fast for mental and physical efficiency. So I was really curious about it that, wow, he fasted for mental and physical efficiency. Like, what's all of, the hullabaloo? And not just that, I actually wanted to, kind of like see if it will help detox my body. If you just spend a whole day of not having anything, would that, in turn help out, your system? My way of thinking is that my body would not have as much things to process. So, like, would I in turn feel better, once it's, past the 36-hour limit? And there was a few moments inside of this that I did actually feel pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and say this just like I say later in the video. Just make sure that, while watching this, if you guys do end up considering wanting to do a, water fast, for me personally, please consult a doctor. Jump into maybe, the intermittent fasting, which is 12 hours of not eating, and then 8 hours of eating. So that's currently what I do. I decided that I was going to go a little bit more extreme, and see what would happen with my body and stuff like that, if I was able to handle it, 36 hours, and I did it. I really did, and I'm proud of myself. So anyways, if you guys are interested in seeing that, then let's go right on into the video, and you can see me suffer and not have any food for a day and a half. See you guys. Oh, that didn't do it. So I noticed that I probably look a lot like shit. I'm just pretty much just doing this, I'm taking you guys through the day, right now of the water fast. It's 8:05 in the morning right now, and honestly, I feel pretty good. Obviously because I just woke up and my body just, needs to get used to the fact that we're just waking up, and obviously we're gonna end up wanting breakfast. Since I was doing IF before, I haven't really had breakfast. I've been mainly just having lunch. I'm gonna come back to you guys like every 2 hours, and like go ahead and like, talk about it and tell you how I'm feeling about stuff. And yeah, I mean, like right now I feel pretty good. I mean, later on I'm probably gonna start feeling like crap, and I'm serious, I'm just not looking forward to it. Here we go. So I'm currently inside of my bathroom right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and weigh myself. Again, the point of this, water fast isn't, for weight loss or anything. Like, I'm fine with the weight I'm at. Obviously, I could probably lose a few more pounds, but I'm pretty good right now. The reason for it, again, is because I wanna, pretty much kind of detox my body and just have a day of it's just pure water that's going through. You know what I mean? Like, it's not anything that's, that contains sugar, or, I mean, I guess some of you guys can say anything healthy, yeah, but just literally, one day detox, and I want to see how I feel. It may not turn out well, but I'm gonna see. So I am 162 right now. Recently, we just went away on a vacation, so I had like a lot to eat, like a lot of like junk food and stuff like that. And honestly, my energy levels have just been feeling like really like crappy. I've been feeling super down, and I'm not liking it. So yeah, I think I gained like 2 pounds on the trip, but that is okay. 162 flat, like it's not anything else. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys, the aftermath of it, and let's see how it goes. I'm gonna go ahead and face it this way. hope better lighting. What I think that I'm gonna do is I'm literally gonna try and just keep myself busy all day long. You know what I mean? Because I guess that if you're not really focusing on the food, then you're not really gonna, think about the food. If you're doing something fun or if you're doing something productive, you kind of tune everything else out. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just, clean up, work out, study. I got a test tomorrow, and I will take you guys through that. So I was actually about to reach for this multivitamin thing, to get some of that nutrient I might miss throughout the day. And I actually can't take that. I have to put it back. And yeah, I'm gonna take some allergy medicine just in case, because we have little Charlie in the house. And yeah, that's unfortunate. So everyone, it has been officially 2 hours, and yeah, I don't know. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 10:25 a.m.
I thought it was like 10:21, but I did it exactly, I guess. So anyways, yeah, I feel pretty good. The only thing that's bothering me is that, oh, sorry, I think I have it a little too close. The only thing that's bothering me is that my head hurts a little bit. I feel like a little bit low on energy, and around 8 o'clock when I wake up, it's usually the time when I'd have coffee, you know what I mean? And now since I'm not having my coffee, my body's reacting a little bit weird. This is actually my third, cup of water. This has 2 cups of water in it, and I had another one, but aside from that, that's the only thing that I've been drinking. No coffee, low on energy, my head's hurting a little bit. Not as much as I thought it would, but I feel pretty good right now. So let's see how I am in 2 more hours. So I'm out here just working out, running a little bit. I was gonna go to Walmart to see if I can get a new shirt. But yeah, just keeping my mind distracted, and hopefully that'll be the secret. So it is 12:20 right now, and I think that, yeah, it's been about 12 hours since I started the fast. I'm feeling lightheaded, I'm feeling I feel like I'm hungry, and I could really go for something right now. But I got 12 more hours, and then I'm pretty much done with it. So I'm gonna try and see if I could just sleep earlier tonight, you know what I mean? So I don't really have to feel that much of it, but I still got a bunch of hours to feel it. Hopefully it doesn't get, that worse, I guess. I mean, that much worse. That didn't make sense. That worse. Just hopefully it doesn't get that much worse.
It's 3:17 p.m.
It's 3:17 officially. I was gonna get back to you at 2:25, but I decided that I was gonna go ahead and try and study a little bit. I just did a little bit of studying. I spoke with my girlfriend a bit, and now I'm just chilling here, with Charlie. How I'm feeling right now. That's the question. How am I feeling right now? Honestly, I feel kind of dizzy. I feel like I'm lacking energy. The thought of food right now is golden. I just so want to dig into whatever is given to me. I could really go for some black beans with some rice, and just that. I don't even need anything else. Just both those together, and I'm good. But man, I really miss food. I have essentially 9 hours left. So let's just tackle it and see how we go. I'll get back to you in 2 to 3 hours. So everyone, I am back. Man, the day's actually almost done. It's about it's 8:43 right now, and man, oh man, it has been 22 hours since I've eaten. Now, the last time that I ate yesterday was at 10 p.m. Well, 9:53 p.m., but I guess I'm just rounding it off to 10. So it's been 22 hours since I've eaten anything. I've just been drinking water all day, and I actually feel okay, which is really weird. There was moments throughout the day where, my head was hurting, you know what I mean? And I'm feeling lightheadedness. I've just been feeling anxious, as in I really want to just dig in to something, to eat, and anxious to get work done, which is kind of weird. Yeah, I mean, that's a good kind of anxious, if anything. let's get this stuff done. Like there's no deadline, you know, that I have pending over me at the moment, but for some reason I feel as if there is an impending deadline. You know what I mean? I'll come back to you guys at like 10 and let's see how I feel by then. So I'm just here in my hallway real quick, and it's actually 11 right now. So technically I have not eaten for 25 hours right now. I know it sounds crazy. He hasn't eaten for 25. Yeah, I haven't eaten for 25 hours. There's plenty of food, you know, in the kitchen yet. I'm just not having any of it. And yeah, I feel pretty good right now. And while we're gonna go to sleep, you know, I'm gonna eat tomorrow at 10 a.m. So yeah, it would have been 36 hours in total that I would have not eaten. So just to clarify that, I guess. So 25 hour mark. So you guys, it's currently 9:08 right now, and how am I feeling? With 35 hours under my belt. Oh look, there's Charlie. He's bringing this little thing. Just sitting down. So yeah, you know, it's been 35 hours since I've eaten, and I honestly feel like I'm gonna pass out if I continue this. The reason why I wanted to do this, you know, as I conveyed before, is because I wanted to do like a detox and kind of see like how it would help my body energy wise. No surprise, food gives you energy. So I feel like I have no energy right now. I have a really bad sore on the side of my neck, which I typically don't get, but I don't know if I should associate it with this, that I'm getting cramps, you know, since I haven't. Our food actually gives us 50 to 30% of the water intake that we have, you know, in a day. And yeah, my arm's feeling weak just carrying this camera. So I don't think that this is something for me. Just one more hour. I'm gonna keep it, what is it, even? I want to say that I did 36 hours rather than an odd 35, you know. I feel like crap. And I feel like I'm gonna collapse. I feel a little dizzy. I don't feel good. So no freaking surprise, I guess. Okay, see you guys in an hour. So officially it is 10 a.m. and the last time I ate was yesterday at, well, I mean the day before yesterday at 10 p.m. So it's 10 a.m. today, so I have done a 36, you know, hour water fast. I was just meaning to do 24 hours when I started this, but I'm doing 36, so I still haven't eaten. You know, like recording this, I still haven't eaten. I feel a headache coming on. Man, I feel like low on energy, a headache. I feel like I'm a faint if I keep doing this, and honestly, I miss food so much. Food is like one of the things that I love the most in this world. Like burritos, you give me a good burrito, oof, man, you're gonna be my friend. Yeah, so I really need food. You know, like I really need it. And not just because, you know, I really miss food and stuff like that, but obviously, let's go ahead and get biologically here. I need it for the energy. I see that my body cannot function unless I have food. And I know that there's those people that do, what is it, 24 hour, 72 hour. They end up going an entire week, you know, without eating. And it's crazy because I think to myself, how the hell are you doing that? You know, like it's maddening, you know, I can't take not having food in my system. It's crazy. Like literally, I think last night, it was the funniest thing. I've never dreamt this. Last night, I had a dream in which I felt like, you know, I was like sneaking food from my kitchen, and I felt guilty about it. Can you believe that? I had a dream that I felt guilty about sneaking food. And I think it was like I don't remember what it was, like a piece of bread or a cracker or something like that, but I was sneaking it. And I was like this close to eating it. I think I was nibbling it, and then I tossed it away because, I don't know, even in my dreams, I didn't eat. Jesus. So with the 36-hour water fast over and done with, would I do it again? No, I wouldn't do it again. I feel like, okay, so the weight that I was at yesterday was 162 pounds. Today when I weighed myself, I was 158.8. So I've lost 3.2 pounds, and I really feel like it was not worth it. It wasn't worth it at all. I feel like you know, it really doesn't matter. Yeah, I lost 3 pounds, but at the same time, I could have lost 3 pounds by eating healthier rather than starving myself in the first place. Like, I feel like it's like, if your thing is that you want to lose weight quickly, you know what I mean? Like, man, you're a real trooper. You know, like, I can't do this just to lose weight quickly. I can't do this. Like, I could, you know, in turn, like maybe at the end of the week, if I continued it, which I do not see me doing that, I could probably lose up to maybe like another 15 pounds, you know, like I did beforehand. So yeah, I can't see myself, you know, doing this again. I really can't. It wasn't that horrible of an experience, you know, like I wasn't starving, I wasn't in my room just staring up at the ceiling, waiting for the time to go by. There were moments when I kind of just like paced around because, you know, obviously, you know, you do want the time to go by, but I wasn't doing that for the majority of the day. A bunch of scientists actually say that this is very good for your system and that eating less actually helps you live a longer life. I don't think that they meant, eating nothing during the day. Maybe once or twice a day is probably what they meant, but not this low, that it gets to a point of no food. So yeah, I'm not gonna do this again. You know, c'est la vie, bye bye. You know. So if you are, if you did look at this video and, you know, think to yourself that, oh well, I can do it, he's just being a little chicken, stuff like that. I do recommend, you know, that you guys go ahead and talk to your doctor. Me jumping into this challenge, I didn't talk to a doctor at all. I don't know, I guess I was just being, you know, a little risky right here. I just jumped into it. At the beginning of it, I actually thought to myself that I was gonna go, you know, like insane and stuff like that without my food, because it's like, I love food so much, and it being taken away from me, I didn't know if I was gonna get, you know, like more agitated and stuff like that. But actually it went out pretty well. But yes, please consult your doctor, you know, if you want to go ahead and just attempt, you know, a 24-hour fast. When it comes to the fast, I don't recommend that you go ahead and jump into a 3-day fast like some people do. Some people get into a 7-day fast, like I said, and that's insane. But I think that it's because they built it up. They went from a 24-hour to, okay, let's go ahead and see if we could do 42-hour, 72-hour, a whole week kind of thing. So if you are, you know, wanting to, please start off slow, 24-hour, and consult a doctor beforehand, you know, and see if your body can, you know, take the 24 hours. I could take 36 hours. I could possibly take the 48, but I'm not going to, because for me, there's no point. There's no point in, you know, sacrificing the one thing I love, food, you know, for this. There really isn't. So anyways, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys, you know, liked seeing me, I guess, suffer, you know, a little bit at the hands of having no food in my body, which really freaking sucked. But I'm gonna go ahead and actually just get something to eat right now. So I'm really happy, you know, about it. I'm just gonna have some eggs, you know, some cheese, and, yeah, like an omelet, and just, you know, just down that thing right now. So if you guys liked the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.